Poblano Pepper Casserole. I've just fallen in love with Poblano peppers over the last few years. These are some of the most wonderful, beautiful peppers known to mankind. They come from a place in Mexico called Poblano or Puebla or whatever, but they're great and they're not very hot. They've got a great earthy flavor. If you take the seeds out, you can remove most of the heat. As we would say in the pepper business, bold but not aggressive. You can also buy these in a can. They're pretty expensive and they're hard to find, but I have found them at Whole Foods and Walmart sites, and they're packed in a little oil and they have a great flavor to them. If you want to do this is just fine, but today we're going to go with the fresh Poblanos. So, for purposes of this casserole, we're going to take these Poblanos here and put them on a stove under about a nice medium heat flame here. And we're going to roast the skins so that the skins will come off of these. Now, after you've roasted them, you'll see here how they're starting to turn black. Turn them over and wait till they get nice and black and charred on all sides. See how this looks right now? That's what you want to see. Once you're done with this, take these Poblanos off and put them into a freezer bag and seal it up and set them aside for about 20 minutes. This will cause them to sweat and these skins will come off. So let's take them out, cut the ends off, and scrape all the seeds out of this. See how nice these skins are coming off now? And I must warn you, you're going to be tempted to wash these off. Don't do that. If you wash these off, you're going to lose a lot of that flavor on the peppers. And it's okay if you leave some of the little black charred stuff on there. It will not hurt this casserole whatsoever. In fact, there's a lot of flavor in that. Let's cut these peppers into pieces here. They should be nice and soft and loose, pliable, and put them in the bottom of this 7 by 10 dish. This recipe, by the way, is for 2 people. It's a small recipe. Now we put a liberal amount of shredded Mexican cheese. You can't put too much cheese on this. It's gonna make it great. Now we're gonna get our mixture going. We're gonna put 3 eggs in here, 1/4 cup of half and half. We're going to put 1/3 cup of just regular flour in here. To that, we're going to add 1/2 of a teaspoon of baking powder and about 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. Very little salt. We just don't want to overpower the flavor of these peppers. Now let's put another layer of cheese on and get this in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. 450 degrees on bake. Check on it. You'll know when it's done because it'll be nice and crusty on top. Well, let's get it out of the oven. Look at this. Doesn't this look good now? That's what I'm talking about. Poblano casserole. Beautiful, isn't it? Let's cut this up a little bit. I like to serve this with Mexican cream and pico de gallo. You can put this in the fridge, store it for a couple of days, make it day before company comes over. You can have it for breakfast, lunch, dinner. It's just a wonderful all-purpose Mexican casserole. Well, that's it for today. Adios and yum yum. Bon appetit, partner.